Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's session, we are going to discuss doubly linked list. So doubly linked list is a special type of linked list in which it contains a pointer to the previous node as well as next node of a linked list. So you can consider here the node B is there and that B node having its next pointer as well as its previous pointer. So this previous pointer hold the address of previous node A and next pointer will hold the address of node C. So in case of doubly linked list, we can traverse in forward as well as we can traverse in a backward direction. So what about the node structure for doubly linked list? So first thing is nothing but the data. For example, if you want to store the information of a student, in that case you can say integer roll number or character array name. So likewise you can consider a data for your node. After that, every node having its next as well as the previous pointer. Next pointer will hold the address of next node which come after the current node. Previous pointer hold the address of previous node for the current node. So now question arises where this double linked list will be used. So the real life example for double linked list is nothing but when we are using a browser, in that case we are using the forward as well as the backward. Or when we are typing in a document, in that case we are using the undo and redo operation. So all these operations are example of doubly linked list.
Take a second to subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Now let us understand how to create a doubly linked list. So first thing required is nothing but allocating the memory for the new node. Next is nothing but we are going to read data for the new node. Suppose I have read data 10 for this new node. Now node structure is created and I want to add this node into double linked list. So when you want to add this node into double linked list, there are two possibilities. That means your linked list is empty and you are trying to add the node to the linked list. And second thing is nothing but your linked list is already having some data and you are trying to add a new node into a linked list. So let us understand first case. The first case is nothing but your linked list is empty. So how you are going to check your linked list is empty? So definitely if your start is set to the null, you can say that your linked list is empty. So here, whatever the node you want to add into a linked list, that become start as well as last of your linked list. As well as when we are considering doubly linked list, we need to set its next pointer as well as previous pointer to the null. So for that, start next will be set to the null and start previous value will be set to the null. Now second case is your doubly linked list already having more than one node and you are trying to add a new node into a linked list. So let us assume that this is existing doubly linked list having a node with value 10, 20 and 30 and you want to add a new node into a linked list. So when I want to add this new node into the linked list, I know the start of my linked list as well as I know the last of my linked list. So I can simply say that after last I am going to add a new node. So I can make a statement last next is equal to new node. After that we need to set new node next to the null. So that was our second statement. Again, after adding this new node, after this last node, we need to set new node previous equal to last. So for that the statement is given new node previous equal to last. After adding new node, this new node become new last for my linked list. So I need to set new last with new node. Around 4 statements I need to consider when I want to add a new node into an existing linked list. Hope so you clear how to create a double linked list. Now we will check how to traverse a double linked list. So when you want to perform traversing on double linked list, first we need to check our linked list is empty or not. So how to check linked list is empty? We can say if your start is equal to null, your double linked list is empty. Now second case is like that if your double linked list is not empty, that means it is already holding some data and I want to perform the traversing operation. So here we have a linked list with data 10, 20 and 30 and I want to perform a traverse operation. So for traversing, I am using a one temporary variable which is currently pointing to start of my linked list. So I need to traverse up to the end of the linked list. So I have just used a while loop and that while loop have a condition temp is not equal to null. That is for every iteration your temp value is upgraded and after some time it will reach to the end of your linked list. So when it reaches to the end of the linked list, we have to stop traversing. So the condition is given temp not equal to null. In that case, we are going to print the temp data as well as we are updating the temp with temp next value. So at the start, temp is pointing to the start of your linked list. Just for understanding purpose, I am using the value 10, 20 and 30. Just to show that temp is pointing to a node having the data 10, 20 and 30. So, but actually temp is holding the addresses. So now temp is currently pointing to the start of my linked list. After that, I will enter into the while loop. So my while loop is mentioning that is temp is not equal to null. So currently temp is pointing the node 10, so it is not null. So here I'm going to print a temp data. So the data which is present at address of the temp is nothing but the temp. So that data will be printed. After that, temp is equal to temp next. So now my temp is incremented. It will point to the node which is holding a data 20. So now you can check here temp is updated and now it is pointing to the data 20. After that, again while loop will be run, we will check temp is not equal to null. So definitely temp is not equal to null. So it is currently pointing to 20. So our while loop will be executed. We will enter into the while loop and we will print data 20 with the help of temp data. After that, our temp is updated. Currently, our temp is pointing to a node which hold data 30. So our while condition will be success. We will enter into the while loop. We will print data, that is data 30 is printed. After that, we are going to update our temp with the temp next. So now your temp is pointing to the temp next. That is nothing but it is pointing to the null. So when we go for next while condition, your loop will not be executed. We will come out of the loop. So now we have a data that is nothing but 10, 20 as well as 30 after traversing double linked list. Hope so you understand this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.